I started getting fatigue. I was tired, I started getting nauseous, I was getting dizzy. It was hard for me to continue walking and standing for periods of time. So over a year and a half or so, I ended up seeing about 8 different specialists, had thousands of dollars of procedures done. I'm not even 40 at that point. And all the results came back normal. So I'm thinking to myself, you've seen 8 doctors, we've done all these tests. I don't have the money to pay back for all of this. Mentally, am I trying to find something that's not there? During these times, it's even that doesn't help make the ends meet. So when I had to go on disability, that was something that I did not want to do until my boss told me that I need to take a break. And it was really hard for me to accept. Trying to do my best for my family, and begrudgingly took some time off, and it ended up being about a year. And he's feeling well enough that I have told my family, I've spoke to my husband, I feel like I'm at the point where I can go back and work now. I was that person out there that was debating whether deeper healing could help, just because I had seen prior 8 other doctors. And so I felt like I gave due course to try other things and to see if it would work. Thank goodness we have deeper healing here. I learned about deeper healing, checked out all of the different procedures and everything that's available. Exhaust hours of looking on the website. Never did I reach out though. And it took me about 6 weeks or so of just thinking to contact, to actually making movement in that direction and taking the first step. I spoke to my husband and he's like, just try it out. Make an initial appointment, see what Dr. B can offer. And I still needed a little bit more push, and so I YouTubed, and he's very educated, really great speaker, so I was like, I think he knows his stuff, so let me just make the initial move and see what he can offer me. Have my first appointment, wonderful talking to him, great vibe, spirit, everything, so educated, so smart. And he takes time, first of all, to speak to you. It wasn't like you make an appointment, you're seen 2 months out, and then when you get there, you have like maybe 10 minutes for an initial. It's nothing like you're used to at other doctors. And I felt so hopeful after that just initial appointment. So here at Deeper Healing, they do like, depending on what your issues are. For me, in 2 months, I had to recheck my 3 months mold toxicity, and 2 months again for some of my blood work. So they not only try to find what's going on, but they're going to check and make sure that it's going down, and if not, they'll adjust some of the treatment supplements or anything like that and see if coming here, it heals you from the inside out. So we're finding what's going on and then treating in all sorts of ways that other doctors haven't even heard of, and you don't hear about the treatments that they have here any other place. I was lucky enough to have some kind of thought to just try one more doctor, see how this one will work. I had only gone through this for a year and a half, and I say that because it's not as long as other people have been experiencing their issues with their pain. And the longer you're in it, the deeper the hole, and you can't see a lot of light from down there. So don't let yourself go on without getting help for too long.